1 twist and turn bottle body, 1 airless pump, 1 inner cartridge with 3 separate chambers, 1 C-shaped locking ring. Refill bottle. How to assemble. Step 1. Pour 10 milliliters of each formula into the 3-in-1 inner cartridge. Step 2. Snap the C-shaped lock ring onto the pump neck. Step 3. Make sure the airless pump and 3-in-1 inner cartridge are aligned correctly. Step 4. Align the dual clips on the airless pump with the dual slots on the 3-in-1 inner cartridge. Make sure the nozzle is facing you. Press the pump firmly into the cartridge until you hear a click sound. It means it is securely attached. Once confirmed, remove the C-shaped lock ring. If you're shipping the refill separately, keep the C-ring on to prevent leaks during transit. 3-in-1 bottle. Assembly instructions. Step 1. Hold the bottom of the bottle and twist the top half counterclockwise all the way until you hear a click, and the center transparent part is visible. That means the bottle is fully opened. Step 2. Find the notch on the bottle rim and line it up with the L-shaped slot facing you. Step 3. Align the pump's locking tabs with the slot and twist it clockwise until it clicks into place. Step 4. Once the refill is securely in place, hold the bottom of the bottle and twist the top half clockwise. The refill will drop down and lock into position with a click. That means it's fully assembled. How to remove the refill. Step 1. Hold the bottom of the bottle and twist the top half counterclockwise until you hear a click. The pump will pop up and the center chamber becomes visible. Now the bottle is fully opened. Step 2. Make sure the nozzle is facing you, then twist the pump counterclockwise all the way. After the click, pull up to remove the refill bottle. To reinstall the refill, just repeat the 3-in-1 assembly steps.